Good night, everyone. Welcome to this program. Tonight we are going to cut Calaboots. The most important developments on our universe. Compass, let's begin. In this platform's car was impaired, Bashar furious. When we store April 22nd of this year. Discussed to laser in the library and the planche activity and is administered on the visual platform reprogram that they for sending at the activity by the student. So we invite you to catch it upon the paint activity and get good grade.